In this video, I'm going to show you how to put together this super duper cute pencil favor box. Let's get started. First of all, we cut out all the pieces. There are 9 pieces together. First, fold the front of the pencil along those dotted line and then glue together. Fold the bottom of the front pencil bit. Now this is the tip of the pencil front. Fold along the lines and then glue together. Fold along the hexagon. Matching the hexagon to the front part of the pencil. Insert the hexagon into the front part of the pencil we just made. The one with triangle mark, later on we are going to use the insert flap. So tuck the front bit underneath it. We'll glue around it, except the one with triangle mark. We'll still put glue on, but it's underneath it. Put glue around and stick them together. Put the tip of the pencil together, and this way, and this is the back part of the pencil. We fold along the hexagon lines, and we're going to push the middle bit of the triangle in. Let's fold along the hexagon line first. And then we're going to push the middle bit in. So it should look like this. And push all of them in and fold all of them. Fold the top bit and glue all the triangles together. This will be the back part of the pencil favor box. We're going to decorate it with these stripes. And glue it together. Leave the end bit not without glue on it. We'll start with the middle bit and then stick along, and then another piece of the stripe. Then the end bit tuck under the bit like without glue. Now put the glue on and glue all together. Take the second hexagon and fold it along it, and match the hexagon into the hexagon box we made earlier. Stick them together all around it except the one with triangle mark. The flap will go underneath the triangle mark. Stick them together. Now we are folding the pencil body. Glue them together first. So we're going to assemble them together. We put glue all over or around the hexagon flaps except the one with triangle. You don't put glue there. And the triangle mark will match another triangle mark on the pencil box. Later on we will, there's a hole, so let's later on for the flap to insert in. Put the two glue together except the one with triangle mark. That's the front part of the pencil. Now we are going to assemble the back part of the pencil. So we are going to put this hexagon box into the pencil body. Same, put glue all over except the one with the triangle mark. Stick them together. Now you put those two flaps, you insert those flaps into the two holes on the side and then insert. That's it. There you have it.